Well, I was just standing in the garage working on my car, and check this out. The hawk just flew down and grabbed this bird. I heard him pan in on it a little bit. So I heard him. I was working on my car. This was going on. Whew. I heard that bird screaming. I thought, what in the world is that? And that hawk caught his own food. I didn't get no squirrel for him this morning. I guess he decided to grab one of these egrets. Come on, flap around now. That's pretty cool stuff. A little bit of wild kingdom going on. Come on, do something with him, hawk. I ran and grabbed my camera. I said, what in the world is going on out here? Come on, hawk. Let's see what happens if I move that over a little bit. Come on, bird. I guess he already killed it. He must have flown out of the tree. I don't know. I sure wish you would do something, move around with him. Get another view. And he's not budging. Okay. Alrighty then. Not gonna do anything. I'm gonna cut you off. Bye. Don't fly. Where are you going? Well, he's looking right at me. Continue eating your Florida egret, please. And don't look at the camera. Come on, eat up. That's a good still shot. Okay. See ya. Bye-bye. Eat. Looks like my red-shouldered hawk grabbed his bird. Florida egret. And he's having his lunch with this bird today. Come on, don't look at me. Eat that bird. Come on, take a big piece. There we go. Alrighty then. Eat it up, big guy. Okay, that's about enough. I can't push off on this stupid thing. Camera's not stupid.